My name is Vladimir, and I am the head of the department for creating electroplating and environmental engineering equipment at EVESS. Today, we will tell you and show you a new line of equipment developed and manufactured by our company. The line includes equipment for the chemical processing of silicon and germanium wafers, as well as equipment for drying them. The units are equipped with all the necessary systems for the technological process: heating systems, rocking systems, bubbling systems, and many others. Parts are processed in batches using cassettes. To ensure safe operation, the units are equipped with a local ventilation system. Local lighting is provided in the work area, ensuring at least 300 lux. The units are equipped with lifting protective screens with adjustable opening heights. For safe operation, the units are equipped with perforated countertops and trays to collect any potential spills. In the event of a spill, reagents pass through the perforated countertop into the tray, which is connected to the process drain. For efficient operation, a number of additional devices are provided, such as deionized water guns, a nitrogen gun, solution drain funnels, socket groups, and other auxiliary devices. Special attention is paid to the quality of the water used in the units. To monitor water quality, systems for measuring and indicating water conductivity are provided. The control system is based on an industrial controller running a specialized program developed by our company's specialists. The control system allows for the configuration of optimal operating modes and monitoring of the technological process. The technological process is monitored, including by timers. Indicators showing the processing time of parts in a specific bath are in direct line of sight. Upon completion of processing, a light and sound signal is given. All units are equipped with adjustable feet, allowing for the correct leveling of the equipment. The units are connected using quick-release connectors and couplings, allowing for fast and easy connection to the facility's utilities. Today, we have told you about and shown you our new products. Our company is constantly working on developing new products, and I think that soon we will show you our new completed projects.